Cherries Jubilee was invented by Auguste Escoffier in honor of Queen Victoria's Jubilee celebration in 1897. Cherries were Queen Victoria's favorite fruit, so it was a good choice for dessert. Actually, the original version was not served over ice cream. However, it is really far too sweet on its own. The chef created it to make a big impact, since the cherries are set on fire right at the side of the table. The Queen is very well known to be a great lover of cherries, and the name came from the fact that the dish was created for her 50th Jubilee celebration. After that, Cherries Jubilee became a big hit across the Atlantic and was a favorite in American restaurants in the 1950s and 1960s. Even a lot of people are making these dishes at home to impress their family or friends and become a show-stopping dessert. Today, some of the additional ingredients are also included to create the new innovation of Cherries Jubilee, such as grated orange zest, orange juice, and cinnamon. And it's recommended to serve Cherries Jubilee in a tall dessert glass. Nowadays, people can make their own Cherries Jubilee with the help of Escoffier's recipe book. Cherries Jubilee may be only one of Escoffier's trademark dishes, but it's popular enough to command its own day. Every September 24th is National Cherries Jubilee Day.